Discover rustic charm and ultimate accessibility. Welcome to 2040 South Gippsland Highway, Stony Creek. Step into a world where rustic allure meets absolute accessibility in the heart of Stony Creek. This 2.5-acre property, brimming with potential and freshly updated touches, offers a lifestyle retreat set against the backdrop of South Gippsland's picturesque landscapes. Perfectly situated, it combines the essence of country living with the convenience of a high-profile location. The heart of this home is its simplicity and the thoughtful upgrades that enhance its charm and functionality. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and 3 toilets, the layout is designed for ease and comfort. The recent renovations pay homage to the property's rustic character while introducing modern comforts. New carpets, a freshly painted interior, and the introduction of a new wood-fired heater create a cosy atmosphere. The master suite is thoughtfully equipped with an ensuite bathroom featuring disabled access and a disability hoist, ensuring inclusivity for all. The exterior of the property, while modest, is ripe with opportunities for personalisation. The addition of a circular driveway, a single garage with power, and mature gardens with fruit trees lay the foundation for a truly personalised outdoor space. The strategic location along the South Gippsland Highway offers visibility without compromising the tranquility of rural living. Significant improvements include a functional kitchen update with a new dishwasher and gas cooktop, new curtains, and a fully renovated bathroom servicing the main bedroom, enhancing the home's practicality and appeal. The property is fenced, ready for small-scale farming or equestrian use, with potential for further customisation to suit your lifestyle needs. Nestled in Stony Creek, a haven within the vibrant South Gippsland region, this property stands as a testament to the simple joys of rural living, combined with the advantages of accessibility. Its close proximity to the township, cafes, and the racecourse adds to its appeal as a lifestyle choice. For more details or to arrange an exclusive viewing, contact Dean Jones at One Lifestyle Real Estate. Reach out via dean@onelifestyle.com.au or call 0431 639 749. Discover the perfect blend of country charm and accessible living at 2040 South Gippsland Highway, Stony Creek, where your tranquil lifestyle awaits.